Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on a trip. We're gonna meet a Blackpool and let's see what Blackpool has to offer. See you guys there. Like this. Hi guys, so now we are Preston. We're making a change to go over to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Is it? Yeah, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. So see you guys there. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're now at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. We're about to log into our hotel before we have fun. So you guys should stay tuned. And let's see what goes on. And let's see what Blackpool Pleasure Beach has to offer. Wow, it's really nice. The view is not really amazing, but it's still nice. What's in here? It's another door. But anyways. Oh, I didn't show you guys the fit. This is the fit for today. This is the fit. Hold on. Hold on. Read this fit from 1 to 10. Read it. It's not really a hard fit, but like just rate it properly. It's still good though. Rate it. And read the room as well. Alright guys, so we're going to the water park now. Let me show you guys the what's the name? We're going to the water park now. Let me show you guys the water park fit. Read the water park fit. Yeah, but I'm looking fresh. What? Alright, see you guys at the water park. So we're going to go to the water park first, and let's see how that goes. Guys, unfortunately the water park was fully booked, so we're here at the beach now, about to swim at the beach. Why? Is it cool? Oh, camera's still on. I can't lie. This, even though the water park disappointed us, swimming at the beach is so refreshing. I give this experience a 7.5 right now. As of now, the rating might go higher, but as of now, the experience on the first day in Blackpool is a 7.5 in terms of the hotel, the beach. I mean, the experience of the hotel. Maybe I'm exaggerating, maybe not, but I feel like it's a 7.5 for now. Yeah, because the water is so refreshing. I can't even lie, I feel so good right now. Guys, I can't give you the full footage, so see you guys at the hotel. thing, like they bite, and it's so painful. Wow, the experience is good. So much class. I don't know if you guys can see. Wait to take a shot. Look, look, look at him. I'm going to shower. 7:30? Yeah, 7:30. Yeah, we'll meet you. Alright guys, so I'm going to my room right now. I'm going to get a shower. Then we'll go out for lunch. Yep. Wait, did I forget my room? Hold on. Okay, 156. It's right here. Yup. Yeah. I said I had it. I see you guys at dinner. Bye. Alright guys, so I just got freshened up. About to get some tea in and review the footage from my GoPro. So yeah. Pardon? I just went to get my dad something. I'm going back to my room. Wait. Alright guys, so we're going to get some food now. Yeah. Bro, these flies are getting too much, bro. It's if they don't take care, I'll reduce the rating. What's that? These flies are getting too much. Where are we going there?
Let's go to
These flies are getting too much. Okay. It's gone from a 7.5 to 7 because of the flies. The flies are too much. So now the rating is going to 7 because of these flies. Yes, always look on the bright side of life. These flies, bro. These flies, bro. Open sesame. I'm feeling nice. Hi guys, it's been a long day. I'm going back to my room, and my rating after the food comes back to 7.5. 0.5 because the food was mid, but I can't complain because they gave us food. So yeah, back to my hotel. See you guys tomorrow, which is day 2.